Right now I'm doing my internship at Monaco Asset Management, which is a portfolio and asset management firm here in Monaco. It's a very interesting internship for those who are interested in working in asset management and also getting exposure to financial market. It's a very good internship to get financial insight. Of course, now my responsibilities are helping the portfolio managers in terms of updating the portfolios, but I'm also doing various tasks such as helping in the private equity advising project with other managers. I'm also doing tasks such as doing quarterly investment reports for the clients, and you really get different types of insight in terms of financial market and financial insight. So I would say overall that this internship has really helped me do a bridge between what I learned at university and what I'm doing at work. So it really made sense for me to do this, and you really get a lot of exposure to not only asset management but also various fields such as corporate finance and research and investment, and also the fact that Monaco Asset Management has internal funds, namely IO Macro, so I got also the opportunity to hear what the team is doing there, and I highly advise for someone that is interested in asset management to apply to search an internship. The team is very good and is very used to have interns there, and it really shapes the financial insight and knowledge that you have. So it's hard work, but it's definitely worth it.